Protecting your trade secrets. What is a trade secret? A trade secret is any information that gives a business a competitive edge and is not known to those outside the business. The common types of trade secrets include formulas, recipes, and processes, devices, software and products, plans, designs and patterns, customer and supplier lists, marketing and sales techniques and forecasts, advertising strategies, unannounced business relationships and opportunities, personnel information such as identity of key employees and their compensation. Well, how can I protect my trade secrets? There is no formal application or registration process for trade secrets. However, you must take reasonable steps to keep them secret. Here are some steps that could be appropriate depending on your situation. Allow employees, contractors, and vendors access to trade secrets on a need-to-know basis only. Make clear to those who know the trade secrets that it is a trade secret and should not be disclosed. Have employees, contractors, and vendors sign non-disclosure agreements. Mark the information as confidential. Store the information in a restricted area. If it's on a computer, implement password protection and other appropriate security measures. What protection are trade secrets entitled to? Trade secrets are protected from misappropriation. A trade secret is misappropriated when a person, 1, acquires the trade secret through means he knew or should have known were improper, or 2, discloses or uses the trade secret without permission when he knew or should have known the trade secret was acquired through improper means. The owner of the secret can sue the defendant to recover for economic loss caused by the misappropriation. The loss is usually measured by the owner's lost profits or the defendant's unjust enrichment. In some cases, punitive damages may also be awarded. How long does trade secret protection last? The trade secret protection lasts indefinitely. It is lost when the secret is published or otherwise becomes generally known.